Have you ever had a conversation where their words said one thing but your gut told you something else completely? Maybe they said, "I'm fine," but everything about them just screamed that they weren't. Or perhaps in a job interview you got a feeling that the interviewer wasn't really convinced even though they were smiling. That feeling, that intuition, it isn't magic. It's your subconscious mind reading a secret language. A language that's more honest than words ever could be. We're talking about the silent, powerful world of body language. Today, we're not just going to learn what arms crossed really mean. We're going to unlock this secret code. You'll learn how to instantly recognize the 3 most important signals people are sending without knowing it. And more importantly, how to use your own body language to change how people see you and even how you see yourself. Let's start with the biggest problem: the lies we tell with words. Humans are social creatures, and we're often polite. We say what we think people want to hear. We hide our boredom, our nervousness, our disagreement. But our bodies? They have a much harder time lying. Think of it like this. Your conscious mind controls your words, but your subconscious mind, the part that handles your emotions and instincts, is in charge of your body, and it leaks the truth. Our goal is to learn how to spot those leaks. The first and most powerful area to watch is the feet. Yes, the feet. Most people look at the face for lies, but the face is the best liar. We've practiced our smiles and our nods our entire lives. The feet? We almost never think about them. Here's a simple trick. Let's say you see 2 people talking. Their upper bodies are facing each other and it seems like a good conversation. But look down. One person's feet and toes are pointed away towards the door. That is a massive leak. Their body is telling you where it really wants to be, out of that conversation. The feet point to our true desired escape route. So, if you want to know if someone is genuinely engaged with you, just glance down. Are their feet and knees pointed towards you? That's a green light. Are they pointed towards the exit? That's a silent plea to end the talk. Now let's move up to the core of the body, the torso and the arms. This is all about comfort and protection. When we feel safe, confident, and open, what do? We open up. We uncross our arms. We might even lean back and expose our stomach, which is a very vulnerable area. It's a sign of trust. But when we feel threatened, insecure, or defensive, we close up. We cross our arms. It's not always about being angry. It's often a self-comforting hug, a way to protect ourselves. We might put something like a bag or a laptop on our lap as a barrier. If you see someone suddenly cross their arms and lean back after you say something, you likely hit a nerve. They've put up a wall. The solution? Don't just charge ahead, change your approach. Be less confrontational, use a softer tone to help them feel safe enough to open up again. Finally, let's talk about the face. And I'm not talking about smiles. I'm talking about the eyes. The eyes are the biggest giveaway of stress and mental effort. When a person is relaxed and telling the truth, their eye movements are fluid. But when they are creating a story or feeling stressed, the blink rate often increases dramatically. It's a classic sign of heightened stress. Also, watch for what we call the triangle. In a normal, friendly conversation, people's gaze moves in a small triangle between your left eye, your right eye, and your mouth. But when the conversation becomes more intense or someone feels a strong attraction or a strong threat, you might see their gaze drop down, breaking that triangle. It's a signal of a deep, often subconscious, shift in emotion. Now here is the most powerful part. This isn't just about reading others. It's about fixing your own problems by controlling your own signals. You can use this to feel more confident instantly. You might have heard of power poses. It's real science. Your body language doesn't just broadcast how you feel. It can actually change how you feel. If you are feeling nervous before a big meeting or a difficult conversation, don't slump in your chair looking at your phone. Instead, for just 2 minutes, go somewhere private. Stand tall. Put your hands on your hips like a superhero. Pull your shoulders back. Hold your head high. Take up space. Your brain detects these physical signals and thinks, "Oh, we must be in a powerful, confident situation," and it actually reduces your stress hormones and increases your confidence hormones. You are tricking your brain into being confident. So before your next big challenge, don't just rehearse what you'll say. Rehearse how you'll stand. So, to bring it all together, stop listening to just the words. Start understanding the silent conversation. Watch the feet for true intention. Watch the torso for comfort and defense. And watch the eyes for stress. And for yourself, remember that by changing your posture, you can change your mind. The next time you walk into a room, you don't have to guess what people are thinking. You can see it. You have the key to understanding the secret language we all speak, but few of us ever hear. Thanks for watching.